Philippines! Hello everybody! Hello Bunga Minor! I'm here to greet one of the important person in my life, Mr. Victor Mendoza. Hi Tito! Happy birthday! May you have more birthdays to come. Siyempre naman, kailangan may wish ako sa'yo, di ba? Ang wish ko, birthday mo, good health and more blessings to come. Si Mr. Mendoza po, very supportive po siya sa lahat ng anak niya at pamangkin niya. Sa kanya ko nakita yung napakagaan na pananaw sa buhay, very positive, at broad-minded. Siyempre po, unang-una, gwapo po yan. Siyempre po, uncle ko yan eh. You can always count on him. Madami po siya natutulungan, especially sa pagbibigay ng work. And the best thing sa kanya, inuuna po niyang tulungan ng mga tao sa paligid niya. Sabi nga, charity begins at home. At yun po siya. Alam ko, bibigyan ka pa ng long life ni Lord kasi you're one of a kind.
And the Facebook, huh?
Just like my dad, my father, you have this family first before anything else. Ganyan po silang magkapatid. Happy na din po kasi ako nakasama ko sa birthday mo. I would say that our family is truly blessed dahil sa namulato namin pundasyon. Siyempre, kayo po yung ugat, kami ang bunga. I love you, Tito. Again, more birthdays to come. Kahit hindi ko natikman ang handa mo, ang mahalaga, nakasama niyo pa rin ako sa celebration na ito. Anyway, Ami, happy birthday also. Hindi kita nakakalimutan. Anyway, I'll see you soon, guys. Lapit ko na naman kayong mayakap. And I would like to thank my pinsan, syempre. Kung hindi dahil sa'yo, si Monica Victoria, because of her, this will not be possible. Alam mo naman yun, di ba? So, bye-bye. Ito lang naman ang ito ako sa office. Tsaka yung boss ko kasi nasa bakasyon, kaya medyo maluwag eh. I love you, babe. I love you guys, and then, see you soon. Bye-bye. I love you. Happy birthday, Uncle. Happy birthday, Tito. Mwah!
Hello, Tito. Happy birthday po. I wish you all the best. And to you and Tita Agnes, salamat po sa lahat. And hindi man po ako nagkaroon ng maraming magkakataon para po masabi yun. But now, we just like to take this chance para po batin kayo. And nawa po, our good Lord will always bless you, especially good health, long life, and nawa po lahat tayo ay laging masaya. Happy birthday po ulit. And lagi po kayo mag-iingat.
Hi, Tito Vic. Happy birthday. Miss you. Stay healthy. Stay healthy. Happy birthday ulit. Sana magkita-kits pa tayo dyan. Go! Hello.
Happy birthday, Uncle Vic!
Tito, happy birthday. Happy 65th birthday.
Happy birthday from the horse farm in Travelers Rest, South Carolina.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Wish you many more birthdays and more years to come. Good health. And syempre,
Pakabusot! Pakaan nyo na lang kami.
we'll see you soon. Hopefully, we'll see you soon again. Say happy birthday, baby.
Happy
Say
birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday! Go say happy birthday, Lola. I should wanna say happy birthday. Bye!
Bye.
Happy birthday!
See you next time.
Go.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
On Channel 4, there's a big fat lady crossing the street.
Okay, Ninong Big. Hey,
I mean,
Lola B.
Lola B. Can you tell Ninong B and my
Kiss nice.
question?
Hey,
My
nicely.
question.
wishing you good health. We want to wish
Thank
you
you.
A good health.
good health and many
And many-
birthdays to come.
Oh yeah, and by the way, tell Ninong B Emma wanna be an aunt if he has a baby
After
after the wedding.
the wedding.
Please.
And happy birthday then kay
Hi.
Ninang
Ninong
Ami.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
for all
for all
the gifts
the gifts
that you
that you.
sending to me.
Oh wait, let's see who's that. I hope it's paparazzi.
So I want you
Oh,
to be
stars.
many more health, good health, you know.
Wishing you good health,
Yun.
more birthdays to come,
Oh, yeah.
and more.
Where is my birthday present? I have no idea.
Saka yun, thank you, basta thank you na rin sa lahat. Sa, pati kay Mama. And sa wedding ni VM. Saka yung
And tell
wedding-
Ninong BM if he's having a baby after his wedding. And make sure
She wants to be
and-
an ant. The ant that is like crawling.
And bring
Like an ant, you know the ant langgam? You want to be an ant langgam?
no aunt, auntie,
Oh,
Oh.
I
Yes.
see.
like tita, like I hope your baby has good luck and good health, and make sure to let your girl to make sure your wife feeds your baby so
Di ba
much.
nasabi mag-leave ng message kay Tito, kay Lolo Vic mo?
Ang haba naman na yan. Tama na.
Sige na, bye-bye na.
Bye bye.
Baka naman.
Say we love you.
We
miss you.
I love you. I miss you. I hope you come back here soon or later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tito Hector! May you have many more birthdays to come!
Happy birthday. Happy 65th birthday, Tito. Thanks for everything. We miss you.
Oh, we just want to say happy birthday. We're sure you're having fun with the people around you right now. So we wish you more fun-filled birthdays and I think some happiness with future grandkids and more success and good health. It's from all of us here in Cazador, Los Angeles, California. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Selby from Los Angeles. Happy birthday, Sankong Hector. We wish you happiness and good luck. At sana ay marami pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo. Take care of yourself always.
Sankong Hector, happy birthday and many more to come. And be careful with your heart. Huwag kang masyado kumain ng marami. Okay? Happy birthday, Sankong Hector. Miss ko na kayo. Gusto na lang yan. Si Agnes at saka sa dalawa. Ingat kayo dyan. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye.
birthday pa.
Manager!
Hi, Ninong! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
We miss you!
Balik na po kayo ulit dito. Kailangan na yung Halloween Horror Nights matuloy.
Kumusta sa lahat?
More birthdays to come po. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Sige po.
Bye!
Hello, good afternoon.
Hi! Pare!
Oh, greetings from us in London.
Happy birthday, pare! Happy birthday, Uncle!
Wishing you a very happy birthday. 65th birthday. It's a big day.
Sana nandyan kami.
Oh, we are all there, but anyway, enjoy. Happy 65th birthday. Makita mo itong background natin. Nandito tayo nung
Nandito kayo.
ilang taon na yon? Remember the place when you were here in London.
Maganda ang panahon.
Only it's still very cold here in London.
Happy birthday.
Ninong, happy 65th birthday. Hope you have a fantastic celebration with family and friends. So this is our greeting from London. See, the weather is
amazing.
Yes, horrible.
It's just
terrible, as you've experienced back in 2009. But again, happy birthday, all the best. Regards. Bye-bye.
Hi, Uncle. Happy birthday from London. Hope you have a great celebration. Wish you were here, but unfortunately it's raining. So maybe the weather is better over there. But have a great celebration. Take care. See you all soon.
Hello, sir. Happy birthday po. Ngayon pong birthday nyo, ang sasabi ko po ay maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa ating magandang samahan, pagkakaibigan, at sa lahat po na naitulong nyo po sa amin. Maraming salamat po dahil kayo po ang nagbigay daan, ang tumulong sa akin, kasama ng inyong kapatid na si Consiel Gonyong at si Diguro, upang ako po ay magkaroon ng pagkakataon na maglingkod bilang SK President at Consiel ng Bayan. Salamat po sa inyong mga payo at pangaral sa amin. Napakalaga po ng inyong mga advice at tama po lahat yung mga sinasabi niyo po sa amin. At dahil nga po sa inyo, ito po kami, patuloy na nagtitiyaga at nagsusumikap sa buhay. Marami po akong natutunan sa inyo. At dahil po dyan, ang panalangin po namin, ang wish namin sa inyo, sana po ay patuloy kayong magkaroon ng malakas na katawan, malayo sa karamdaman, at higit sa lahat, more blessings. Kayo po yung taong higit na dapat bigyan ng maraming blessings, sapagkat kung ano ang meron kayo, natitiyak ko po na isinishare niyo po sa iba. Hindi kayo maramot, mapagbigay, hindi makasarili, at laging handang tumulong. Nakikisama, gumagastos ng sariling pera, nakikipagkaibigan sa mga taong maaaring makatulong. Hindi po sa inyong sarili, kundi po sa mga kababayan natin na nangangailangan ng tulong. Kaya nga po, madami kami na nagmamahal at nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Muli po, happy